Hi, in this video we'll be showing you how you can replace the center dash speaker of your 2014 to 2020 Acura MDX. In my case, I currently have rattling issues when music is being played, but this guide can help you repair or replace your speakers. We can start by unboxing our part. This one is from the salvage yard, as buying a used assembly is more cost effective than buying an OEM speaker by itself. To compare, this assembly cost me $29 while similar used speakers go for around the same price. A new OEM speaker would typically sell for $50, excluding shipping. If you watch the end, you can see how this repair could have been free. Having the replacement part also gives insight into how the speaker grill is attached to our dash. We can see that there are 4 posts with tabs that hold the assembly in place. This means that we will not need to tear our dash out to replace our part. Using an auto trim tool, we can pry at the speaker grill. As you can see, I struggle to unseat the posts holding the speaker grill in place. This is because I'm prying at the top layer of the assembly. Instead, insert the tool deeper into the cavity and pry at the whole body of the grill. Noting the location of these posts, you can be more effective at where you pry. Prying closer to the post allows you to overcome the flex of the speaker grill. Now that it's out, we can locate both the wires for the sensor and the wires for the speaker. First, pull the latch out by pulling each side. Then, squeeze the tabs on the side and pull. For the sensor, press the tab of the clip located at the top down and pull out. As you can hear, my problem is quite apparent. Now it's out with the old and in with the new. Just plug the sensor wire in and plug the speaker wire in and secure the latches in place. It may be helpful to test the speaker before securing the grill. Now line up the grill and press to secure in place. You're now finished. So, as I've promised, we can see how we can repair our rattling issue. We can begin by unscrewing and removing the speaker from the grill. We can see that the dust cap has detached from the cone. That's probably what's causing our rattling issue. To fix it, we can start by cleaning the cone surface with some rubbing alcohol. Then we can clean the dust cap. So to put it back, we can use some flexible or rubbery glue, but you can try others. Now firmly apply the dust cap and we can put it all back together. As you can see, this is still loose. Screw it until it doesn't move. And the repair is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.